Hello, my name's Cara from Behind the Bar, and this is how you make a Tommy's Margarita. Potentially the most superior of all the margaritas. So first we're going to squeeze some lime juice. Then we're going to build our drink in our shaker tin. So start with the star of the show, which is 60 ml or 2 full shots of 100% agave blanco tequila. Then 15 ml of agave syrup, which is a natural sweetener made from the same plant as tequila. And then 30 ml of lime juice. Then I'm just gonna grab my glass from the fridge or the freezer. Now, technically speaking, this drink doesn't require a salt rim. The inventor didn't like it having a salt rim, but I like it having a salt rim, so we're gonna do a half of one. Just wet your glass around the outside edge and then dip it in some salt. Pop a nice big block of ice in your glass, and then we're gonna shake our cocktail as hard as we can. And then a little dehydrated lime wheel to garnish. Tommy's Margarita. So now you know.